So welcome back to the channel. Hamza here as usual. So today I want to show you how you can create a group product in your WooCommerce website. If we go to the shop page, you realize we have our group product over here. So when I say view products, it will show the different products that are falling under that group product. So the grouped product option in WooCommerce enables you to group together closely related products in your WooCommerce store. So in this case, we have these tools. They have the same weight, they have the same or similar design, but it only changes on the tops over here. So this is zebra inspired, this is rhino, this is giraffe, and this is elephant. So in case your client wants to order maybe 2 or 3 zebra stools and maybe 1 giraffe stool, so they simply just enter in over here and they say add to cart. So only those that have been selected will show up at the cart page. And now boom, here we go. We have a zebra stool. There was something already in the cart, that's why it's showing up 5, and there was a lion stool making it 4, and now a giraffe stool making it 1. So I can just change this to 1 and maybe change this to 2 and leave this to 1. So when I update the cart, it shows us now the actual values 1, 2 and 3, and boom, here we go. So how do we create such a product in our store? So back into our e-commerce store, we're going to simply say add a new product under WooCommerce products. So add a new product, and in this case we are going to create a group product for necklaces. So we are going to name this beaded necklace or necklaces, and we're going to add a full description of this product. Now here we can describe how these beaded necklaces are, how they are made, and down below here we can add a short description of this product or these beaded necklaces. So just grab this and boom, I've added my short description. The short description looks just like this. When we come back over here, this is a short description of the product, and below here is the full description. So back into our Woo store, we are now going to categorize this under necklaces, or you can simply just create a necklace category down below here, and under the product data we are going to select this to be a grouped product. And then after that, we are going to simply come down below here and we add a featured image for that grouped product. So the featured image will look just like this over here. So back into our e-store, we're going to select a featured image, and there we go. So now we are done setting up our group product. Now what we are going to do is to add the single products that actually fall under the group product, or the products that will give us the options to show up this kind of products that someone can simply add to their cart. So to do that, we are simply going to come back over here and we publish. Now we are done publishing our group product that we will have to add onto our group product. So a single product, in this case I'm going to name it to be black beaded necklace. I don't need to add the full description, I don't need to add the short description. What I simply have to add is the price. It's going to be 39. And the inventory, I can add first of all the stock keeping unit. So this is going to be 651, and I don't want to manage the stock, but in case you have a limited number of these necklaces, you can say I only have maybe 12 of them. And down below here I can set up the weight. Let me say maybe the weight is 0.5. That's all. And what I have to do is now to add the product image. So I come over here to the library, I browse for the product image. This is black, good to go. I can now categorize this. It falls under necklaces and looks like I'm good to go. I've selected the product data, it's a single product. We've added an SKU number, we've added how many we have in stock, and that's all. So when we preview this single product, has the price, the name, and the stock number. Now what we need to do at the moment, what we need to do is to make sure that we hide this item from appearing on the shop page. We only want it to appear under the group product option. Just like when you come over here on our store under the shop page, we don't have the other variations of these tools appearing on the shop page. We only want to see those other products appear under the group product option. So back into our e-commerce store, what I'm going to do is to come over right here under the category visibility, and I'll edit this, and I want to hide this from appearing anywhere on the store. Okay, so I'll simply say okay, and I'll publish. So we are now going to create our second product by coming over here to add new product, and this is going to be black and white necklace. No full description, no short description. I'll leave it as a single product, and I'll give this to be, let me say, $30 or $29. And the inventory, this is 612, and I want to manage the stock, and here I have only, let me say, 15 of them. And under shipping, I'll simply just make this to be 0.2. Next, what I need to do is to simply come over here on the product image, and I select the featured image of this specific necklace, black and white, and add the category, and come over here to the category visibility, and I'll simply just say hidden, or in case you want it to be shown on, let me say, on the search results page only, you can select this, but I don't want it to appear anywhere. And on previewing that product, looks good. So I head back, I'll publish the product. Let's create our other product, and this is going to be blue beaded. So blue necklace. I will not add the short description and the full description. I'll simply just come over here on the product data, add the price. This is going to be also 29. Inventory, I'm going to say this is 612, actually 613. For the stock keeping unit, I'll not manage the stock, I'll just leave it empty. And for the weight, it's going to be 0.2. And then over here, I'm going to add the product image. Looks good. And I'm going to add the category and the necklaces, and I'll make this product not visible anywhere. So I'll now say publish. Cool, now I'm good to go. Now let's go straight to our shop page, and we're going to come to the shop, and we're going to come over here on our beaded necklaces, and we're going to say view products. And here we are. We don't have any group products at the moment. What do we do to make sure that our products show up over here? We're going to come back to WooCommerce, open all products. We are going to come to our main product or our group product, which is this over here. We edit, and we're going to scroll down below here and come to link products under the product data, and we're going to add the group products that fall under this necklace. We have the black and white beaded necklace, and then we also have the blue beaded necklace. You can still rearrange this by simply dragging and dropping, something like that. Now what we're going to do is update. On updating, I'm going to come back to our group product, and I'm going to reload our group product. Boom, here we are. We have now our beaded necklaces show up over here: the black and beaded necklace, the blue beaded necklace, and the black and white beaded necklace. Under the blue necklace, remember, we never managed the stock, or we never indicated how many we have in stock, so someone can order for as many as they want. So now let's try to add, let me say, 2 of the black beaded necklace, 1 blue necklace, and no black and white necklace. So I'll add to the cart, and here we are. Sorry, I have to remove all the other products that are already in our cart. So here we are with our 2 products, or 2 beaded necklaces that are already in the cart. The blue necklace, we only added 1. The black beaded necklace, we added 2. And this is the cart total over here. So that's how, in a nutshell, you can create a grouped product on your WooCommerce store that makes it really easy for your client to shop for similar products that are already listed on your website without having to go back to the shop page, add to cart, and all that repetition. So here it shows up, and you can also set up different prices just like you see over here. In case you have any questions or comments, let me know down in the comment box below. Otherwise, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a like, and if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time, and goodbye.